All right, so here we have it. It's the Arory Tactical 6x24x50 scope. There's not a lot of information about these on the net that I could find besides the website and one or two YouTube videos. So I thought I'd just do a little quick unboxing video on it. This is a first focal plane scope. Like I said, it's 6x24. And this is pretty much how it comes. I did take the bag off the actual scope, but this is more or less how it comes out of the box. It does come with a shade attachment on there, which is pretty neat. Makes the rifle scope look a lot bigger. So let me take it out and show you guys how it looks out of the box. All right, here's the scope out of the box. It did come in a little bag. I just took it out of it for the video, and no imperfections. Happy with it. One thing I noticed about this scope, as opposed to the YouTube videos I've seen on it, is it actually has the Arory branding on there, which is pretty neat. I'm guessing I have the updated version, because in the videos it says Arory and then Arory Tactical. Even the box, it says Arory. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, I really like the glass. It's really clear, and it being first focal plane, pretty neat. The one thing I don't like about this scope, First Judgment, is this ring here is really tight, the magnification ring, but I'm guessing it's like that because it's nitrogen sealed, so it has to be. But I mean, it does zoom in and out. It's just a little stiff for my liking. I'm gonna have to slap this little lever it comes with on there. It'll probably help a lot. Yeah, the knobs it has on it are pretty neat. So of course you zero everything in. Starts in zeros. Once you have it zeroed in, you can get a flathead, unscrew that, and then set it back to zero to have it zeroed in. That way it's easy to make your adjustments. And then on the left side it has the parallax adjustment, of course. But yeah, pretty neat little scope. It was under 300 bucks. So not expecting much out of it, but so far it's actually impressed me. It doesn't seem like a cheap scope, so guess we'll have to see if it holds zero or not. Yeah, I'm gonna be shooting it soon. If you guys want, I'll have a video update after I take it to the range. Yeah, just leave a comment if you guys are interested. But yeah, it comes with a little booklet, of course. And then it also comes with a giant cleaning cloth, which I'm a fan of. It's freaking huge. Look at this thing. Thing's huge, man. I also went ahead and picked up their scope rings, which I'm kind of skeptical on these because they were only like 15 bucks on Amazon. But I guess we'll have to see if they hold the scope. So it does come with tape in there. I don't know. But yeah, I'll be slapping these on there and we'll see how it is. Just thought I'd show you guys what it looks like with the little lever on the magnification ring. It does make it a lot easier to zoom in and out. I also added the glare cover thing. I always thought scopes like this look pretty funny with those things attached. But I'm sure it does the trick. I also forgot to mention it is waterproof, shock proof, and all that good stuff. Nitrogen sealed. Also forgot to mention it does come with a little bikini cover that's rubber and not plastic, which I like. I'm gonna try to demonstrate what it looks like through the scope. It's not gonna be anything special since it's through my iPhone, but I don't know if you can see. There's a flag over there. That's what I'm gonna be aiming at with the scope. So I can show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like with the 6x. Trying to get it to focus. This is 12 times. It's really clear, but it's hard to hold the camera still. That's 12 times. There it is at 24 times. Problem is it's a lot clearer. It's just, it kind of looks weird through the iPhone. But it doesn't help that it's dark outside either. But yeah, that's 24 times. Anyways, thanks for watching.